Read this.
This is a Zondervan Compact Bible Dictionary. The word Gentile. Usually.
Read it again.
Usually. It means a non-Israelite people.
So what does that mean? Usually it can mean Israelites referred to in a Gentile state of mind, or it can usually refer to the real Gentiles.
Okay, so
hold up, do you understand that?
I understand.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
We also know how to infer from a text. We all been in school.
That's right, context.
From a context, okay? So if you have a person that is in a city, and that city is not a city, that's a Jewish city, okay? And we can infer from the text, like Paul, who was not sent to, it clearly said he wasn't sent to the Jews, but he was sent to the Gentiles. Jesus spoke about it because he said, I have a sheep that's over my fold.
That's right.
And the other fold.
But hold on. That's why I gave you the definition of Gentiles.
Okay,
so when you read Gentiles, it can be referring to what sometimes? Israelites, brother.
I got you.
Let me prove that. Read this.
This is the book of Matthew, chapter 4, and verse 15. The Zebulun.
Zebulun. Who is Zebulun? One of what? The 12 tribes of Israel. Read on.
It's the land.
Another 12 tribes of Israel going into the northern tribe. Read on.
By the way of the sea, behind Jordan.
Read on.
Galilee of the Gentiles.
Galilee of the what?
Of the Gentiles.
Of the what?
Of the Gentiles.
Read.
The people.
The who?
The people. The people.
It's telling you that the northern tribe was called what? Gentiles. Because they weren't keeping the commandments. That's right. God cast off the northern tribe for what? Being his chosen people. So if you're not God's chosen people, what do you call? Gentiles, bro. That's the history that we're trying to teach you that our people are not being taught. Do you understand about the split between the northern and the southern tribe? Do you understand that history? That's why you don't understand the New Testament. That's right. That's what we're trying to tell you. And I'm going to prove it to you again. Hold up. Let me give you another scripture. Give me 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 2.
Bring it up.
Ephesians chapter 2, verse 11.
Bring it up.
Let me show you. Because it's hard, because guess what? Like Captain Maccabee said, you have been brainwashing. It's hard when you, guess what? Kicking against the pricks. Read this, book of 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 2. Ye know that ye were Gentiles. Read it again. Ye know that ye were Gentiles. What's your name, brother? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is
My name is Captain Benaniah. So how can you be a word Gentile if you're always a Gentile? What is this text talking about, brother? Answer my question. What is this talking about? Read it again. You got to pay attention, brother, because we having a dialogue to get some understanding. Read this out. 1 Corinthians 12 and 2. Ye know that ye were Gentiles. Read it again. Ye know that ye were Gentiles. Read on. Carried away unto these dumb idols. That's what made them Gentiles. The northern tribe, because they was doing what? Worshiping idols. That's against God. So by default, they were called what?